I noticed that a lot of people are very confused about the COVID vaccine timeline, what's considered a vaccine, what's considered a booster, and even how many vaccines you should have at this point. So I compiled a visual resource that you can look at for this. You just have to click on this right here, and then click on this link right here, which will redirect you to this resource. First, please note this is only accurate for adults. I will make another one for child vaccines. But starting off, the first COVID vaccine was available in December of 2020. This was known as the primary series vaccination, where you should have had 2 doses of this primary series. After that first dose, depending on the vaccine, you would have to wait 3 to 6 weeks, which would mean completion of this primary series vaccination either in January or February of 2021. Following this, the first booster of the primary series was made available. This happened in September of 2021. So at maximum, you would have been able to get 3 doses of the original primary series vaccination. The next COVID vaccine available was the bivalent vaccine in 2022. This could be considered the 2022 to 2023 formulation of the COVID vaccine, so this is an updated formula. This would not be considered a booster, and this vaccine was targeted to BA4 and BA5. The next major milestone was that for immunocompromised people, ACIP declared in September of 2023 that immunocompromised individuals could get a COVID vaccine every 2 months. Following this, the third COVID vaccine formulation was developed. This one also was not considered a booster, it is an updated vaccine formulation, and it was targeted to the XBB 1.5 COVID variant. Following this, in February of 2024, a booster dose was made available for those 65 and over. And then finally, bringing us up to the present time, there is going to be a JN1 option and a KP2 option of the 2024-2025 formulation for the COVID vaccine. Again, not a booster, but an updated formulation, which makes this the fourth COVID vaccine formula. JN1 will be available from Novavax and KP2 from Moderna and Pfizer. This is the generalized timeline, and I hope that helps.